Hi guys, you're with Rich Green, the KC, the keyboard capitalist. And what I want to do is very quickly help you guys out with the use of share codes on Power Lead System. So I know I've got some guys who are eager to get started with the latest funnel that I've just built. So this is just going to be a really quick tutorial because I've got somewhere I need to be, but I know you guys are waiting on it. So grab a pen and paper, stop and start this video as you need to, and let's get stuck in. So with Power Lead System, you've got the ability to build funnels, or if you're not a funnel builder, you've got the ability to use funnels that other people have built for you. A funnel is just a series of web pages that link from one to another that take people from interested in what's being said through to spending money and buying at the other end. So you're funneling them through a sales process. So when someone builds a sales funnel and gives you a share code, what they're doing is they are giving you a link to that funnel, and when you input that share code into your system, it transfers their funnel pages into your website library. With me so far? So here's what you need to do. First things first, the companies that are going to be promoted within that funnel, you need to make sure that Power Lead System knows which companies they are, because on the funnel will have buttons, you know, people will click here to get started, that kind of thing. The system needs to know where to send them when they click that button. There's a video on my YouTube channel about how to fix buttons and page redirects. If ever you have a problem with that, just go to my YouTube channel and there's a video specifically for that. But here's what you're going to need to do. Go over to Getting Started. In Getting Started, you've got an option called Companies You Promote. Go to Companies You Promote, ignore all the crap that's in here because I've done lots over my time and still do. And so what you're going to need to do is in this grey box at the bottom, you're going to go down to the companies that are involved in this particular funnel. Now, I'll not mention any company names because other people might use this tutorial video, but the company that you're promoting will be in here. So select that company. Click here to save, and so let's just for talking's sake, let's just choose that one, and that's going to take you to this page. Put your affiliate link for that business in here, and then click save. So go to the business that you're going to be promoting, look for your referral URL, your affiliate link. They have all sorts of different names, but basically the link that you would use to get people to sign up to your business, and put that in there. Click save, and that's going to take you back to that page. If the funnel that you're setting up has more than one business that it's promoting, then just do the same again for all of the businesses, and make sure that all of the businesses that you want to promote are in this list. So once you've done that, what you're going to do is you're then going to add the share code. So hover over web pages and go down to My Sharing Codes. If I remember right, you can also get to it down here as well. There's a few different places where you can get to it. But you want to go to My Sharing Codes. And the share code that you're going to use, so take the share code from whoever's given it to you and put it into this box at the bottom, then submit. So what you're going to have is content shared with me. So these are sales funnels that have been built by other people that have been given to you. At the top, these are share codes that you've created from funnels that you've built. So what you'll see is content shared with me. So what you've done so far is you have updated your Power Lead System with the companies that you're involved in, and you've put the sales funnel into your library. So 2 steps so far, yeah? What you're now going to do is you're going to create a domain name. So what web address do you want people to see when they're going to this funnel system? So when you've set up your Power Lead System, you're going to have created a domain name already. So let's go here down. So you're going to hover over websites. You're going to go down to domains and subdomains, and you're going to go to manage subdomains. So in this list is going to be the domain names that you've bought so far in Power Lead System. Now, what you need to do is add a sub. So put a word or a phrase in front of the domain name that you're going to be using. So whatever this funnel is, there'll be a name, a word that jumps out to you. What I would say is don't use a word that tells people what it's all about. You know, if you were, let's say, I don't know, if it was a Herbalife funnel, for example, don't put Herbalife there, because people are not going to click through to the funnel to see what it is. They already know what it is. They're going to prejudge. So you would put something like, I don't know, health and wellness or whatever, something that's you're going to know what it is. That's the main point. So put in your subdomain and create it. That's then going to send you back. Oops, that's then going to send you back to this page. And if it doesn't, just click on websites to go to this page. So you're now in your web library. Now, in your library, you've now got the pages from the new funnel that you've just put in there. So what you're going to do is you're going to select the subdomain that you've just created. So whatever that subdomain is, let's say it's this test one. So your page will refresh. There we go. So we've now got the subdomain that you've just created. And what you're going to do is you're going to go down, and under this section, sales funnels created for you, you will see the sales funnel from the code that you've just put into your system. So all you're going to do is you're telling the system now that you want that domain name to point to whichever one of them you select. So select the one that you're looking for, click save, and that's it. You're done. So you've now got your domain name set up pointing to the funnel that you want it pointing to. So it's really, really straightforward if you can break it down into the steps. So all you're doing is you're making sure that Power Lead System knows which companies you're promoting. You're putting the funnel into your library. You're creating a domain name. You're pointing the domain name. It's really, really straightforward. You don't need to be techie to do this. You just need to have a few minutes to look at this video, jot it down, save this video if you need to, and come back to it as often as you update sales funnels. So that's it. I'll leave that with you guys. I'll get this uploaded straight away, and I will catch up with you on the next video, no doubt. That's me, Rich Green, the KC, putting daily life-changing income at your fingertips. Cheers, guys.